We've got big news. The government will once again begin processing initial DACA applications. The processing of initial requests for DACA, or Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, originally ended on September 5th, 2017, and only renewal applications could be processed. While initial applications could be submitted thereafter, on July 16, 2021, the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services stopped adjudicating them entirely. The Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program was created for young adults who were brought to the U.S. as children to essentially protect them from deportation and provide them with work authorization. As of September 30, 2024, there were roughly 530,000 DACA recipients from close to 200 countries residing in the United States. The federal court decision will now allow DACA to continue nationwide, with one important caveat. Applicants living in Texas can receive deferred action, which is protection from removal, but cannot receive work authorization, and they'll not be deemed to be in a period of lawful presence in the United States. This affects benefits such as obtaining a driver license. In a nutshell, initial DACA filings are back. Renewal applications will continue to be processed as usual. If your current state of residence is Texas, which is verified through the most recent address you have on file with the USCIS, you'll be safe from removal if granted DACA, but you'll not be eligible for a work permit. But if you move out of Texas and update your address with USCIS, at that point, you could regain eligibility for work authorization. Just as a reminder, to be eligible for DACA, you had to have been born on or after June 16, 1981. You had to have come to the US before reaching your 16th birthday. You had to have been physically present in the US on June 15, 2012, with no immigration status and at the time of filing your request for DACA. You had to have been continuously residing in the US since June 15, 2007, had no lawful immigration status as of June 15, 2012, and at the time of filing your DACA request. You had to have either enrolled in high school, graduated high school, obtained a GED, or you're an honorably discharged veteran of the United States. And most importantly, you cannot have been convicted of a felony, significant misdemeanor, or 3 or more misdemeanors. If you have questions or you need further assistance, contact Gerstein, an immigration law firm, at 954-947-6060.